Hey there, YouTube and campers. Rand here again. How's it going? Gosh, I got the urge to get back out there and do some traveling, do some camping, and I'm going to do some fishing this time. I'm ready to go. With all the pandemic going on and everything, it's kind of hard to get out of California, so I'm going to run up to the high Sierras here in a couple of weeks. So I'm getting the truck camper here all going. I got a 2018 Lance 975. It's got the one slide out on the side. We traveled all around America on it so far, but now we're kind of just strapped down to California this year, it looks like. But anyways, I wanted to talk about this barbecue that I put on the camper here. I just love it. I did that. I did a video on it, but for some reason, I don't know, some of my videos got taken down, or I took them down not knowing it. But so I thought I'd do another one because I noticed it wasn't there. But this is my barbecue, and let me show it to you. Okay, here's the barbecue. It's not your typical RV barbecue you're gonna go get in an RV store. You got to get this at a boat store, Marine West. I got it. I think it was like $130 or something like that. And I've attached it to my ladder here on a stainless steel bar I put on an extension, and I put it right there because I can still get to my generator. I can still use my ladder. I can still open my hatch. Everything works just fine. And this thing here is self-contained. It has its own propane bottle. I elected to use its own propane bottle because I get more heat that way when I'm cooking. Now I've cooked everything from ribs to steaks to hamburgers and on this, and I just love it. You know, it moves around. I can move it further out this way if I want, and when I'm cooking, I'm far enough away from the camper where it doesn't hurt the camper at all. And when I'm traveling, I have a cover on it, and if it bounces around, I put this little tape here to make sure it doesn't hurt the camper, and the bottle comes off when you're traveling. And I'll show you a picture of the barbecue with the cover on it. But that's it. And I go camping for a weekend. I just do my barbecue, come home, I'll clean it then. Maybe I'll go for a week. The only time I really got to worry about cleaning it really good if I'm, camping up somewhere in the mountain and there's bears. I definitely got to clean it real good. But other than that, I just, like a normal barbecue, clean it when you get home and ready to go next time. And it's not big, but definitely does for 3 people, 4 people. I can put 2 good sized steaks on there, no problem. Anyways, yeah, this is the Lance 975, and it just sits right there on the back, and I just love it. I barbecue more now when I get out away from the house and I'm out on the road. I'll use this before I cook inside 99% of the time. Anyways, guys, just wanted to show this to you. Let me show you what it looks like with the cover on it. Okay, so here's the cover on the barbecue. So when I'm traveling down the road, it looks like that on the back. I've had this on for about 6 months now, and every time I travel, it just stays right there, doesn't move. I tighten it up right here so it doesn't move at all. Yeah, if I loosen this up, this makes it move more. If I tighten it up, it stays more put. And it's not up against the camper. So that's it. When I get to camp, I just pull the cover off and I'm ready to barbecue, put the bottle on. Okay, guys, anyways, it's a West Marine barbecue, and that's about it for this one. Bye.